If you're looking to get into the trades in Canada and you want to make money, have job security, and do cool work that you can be proud of and feel fulfilled, this video is for you. Today we're going to dive into an overview of the top 5 trades in Canada. These roles drive Canada's core infrastructure, industrial, manufacturing, and resource sectors. Now, based on nationwide labor demand, salary potential, and job security, the top 5 skilled trades in Canada are: number 5 is specialized or pressure welder. Now, your average salary on the low end is anywhere from $80,000, and on the high end can go anywhere over your 6-figure mark of $100,000 per year. Now, what is this role? The role of the welder joins metal parts and structural elements for major infrastructure, commercial, shipbuilding, pipeline construction, and manufacturing. Now, crazy, but more than half of any man-made thing relies on welding. Definitely always busy, definitely always in demand, and depending on where you go and if you're willing to move around and get good in specialized or pressure welding, you can go very far and have a very lucrative career in the trade. Number 4 is heavy duty equipment technician. Now, this average salary can range anywhere on the low end from $75,000 a year over to $95,000, $100,000 a year plus. Now, your role a lot of the times is diagnosing and repairing large engines, hydraulic systems, and pneumatic components on construction, mining, and forestry machinery. Now, I personally know a handful of apprentices in different programs across Ontario doing this exact trade, and they all make over $40 an hour as an apprentice working underground. That's starting while they're still in school. Definitely something to consider, and understand that you will be working hard, but you will be earning it. Number 3 is plumber or pipe fitter. Now, this average salary ranges anywhere from $78,000 on the low end to $98,000 to $100,000 a year plus. Now, your role is a lot of the times designing, laying out, installing, and maintaining high pressure piping, networks, water systems, and steam systems for commercial and heavy industrial operations. Now, where plumbers make a lot of money is the emergency chaotic calls. So a lot of times pipe bursts at whatever time, wherever in the city. If you're on the call out, it's a minimum 3 hours, and more often not, it doesn't take that long. You get called out for an emergency situation. Those are where you make big money, and that's more often not, you will get called out for them if you're working as a career plumber. Number 2 is industrial mechanic or millwright. Now, your average salary on the low end is anywhere from $90,000 to $115,000 plus a year. Now, your role a lot of times is set up, dismantling, and aligning heavy industrial machinery and robotic automation systems, and in energy and manufacturing and mining sectors. Now, a lot of the times things shut down, you gotta go in, and these are the people that make all the things fixed and work properly. And number 1, if you were trying to guess it, it is industrial electrician. Now, I do know people in this trade, people who are apprentices, and you will make a lot of money. And here it is. Your average salary on the low end is $88,000 a year and can lead anywhere to over multiple 6 figures. Your role is a lot of the times installing, maintaining, and repairing complex automated systems, industrial motors, and electrical equipment in plants and factories. Now, a lot of the time you go in, you work your 12, 10-hour shifts, whatever it might be, do week on, week off, whatever it might be, 2 weeks on, 2 weeks off, or working your 7 to 5 every day underground, whatever it might be. A lot of the times it is very focused on safety. You have a high risk job, thus the higher risk your job. In this case, you get paid and compensated for it. I personally know people in this industry doing this exact thing, making over $200,000, $150,000 a year. Definitely worth it. Definitely a thing to consider if you're looking to make a lot of money and you're looking to do some cool work and do a lot of work with your hands, focusing on complex problems. Industrial electrician is probably for you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely consider commenting anything that questions you might have, or messaging me on Instagram, or commenting on anything on Instagram that I have as well. Put that below and right here. And I definitely think it's worth diving into and exploring, doing your own research. This is kind of the general overview of what I came up with for the most top in demand 5 trades in the country. These are the ones that are always going to be busy, always have good job security, and if you're willing to go around to certain places where the demand is higher, you will be paid even more. Definitely something to consider. Comment, subscribe, like, whatever it might be. I appreciate you guys for tuning in, and we'll talk to you later.